guys, I just recently dyed my hair back black, and so I wanted to do a protective style to preserve the color and save money on conditioner. I went to Walmart and I got some Yale Organics, the mango line. It smells so amazing. I had to get it. I've never tried it before, but I wanted to get it, and so I'm going to use the Miele Organics Twisting Souffle as well as some Shine and Jam, the extra mega hold. That one works the best for me. You're also going to need your favorite combs to part, a brush to comb all your detangling out, water with rosemary leaf in it. I will give you guys more details on my spray bottle later. And last but not least, olive oil. That is holy grail oil, guys. And this is what it looks like styled. It took me a couple hours, but this will last me about a week, and you can do so many different things with this. It's so much nicer to just wake up and go.
Designer on my feet, step my money up, hottest in the game. Watch me level up.